presentation of the results of the rating and shortlisted consultants under Section 53 of RA 12009, otherwise known as the New Government Procurement Act and its implementing rules and regulation. For contract ID number 26 CSF 004, consulting services for the conduct of feasibility studies, preliminary and detailed engineering, economic analysis, technical studies, traffic impact assessment, Masbate City Coastal Diversion Port Road, Masbate Second Executive District. Before we continue, I introduce to you the attendees for today's activity, starting with myself as the bank chairperson, Jeremy Molina and Bataga, also the Chief of the Right of Way Acquisition and Data Division. On my right is Dr. Maria Chudora Pilo Santas, Bank Vice Chairperson, Chief of the Administrative Division. On my left is Engineer Ben Hamid Jr., Bank Regular Member, Chief of the Quality Assurance and Regulatory Division. And Engineer Dennis Edgar Leona, Bank PWG Member from the Planning and Design Division in this office. Okay, so may I call on Engineer Octa to present to us the results of the rating and shortlisted consultants based on the set of criteria and rating system for shortlisting of consultants specified in the request for expression of interest. Engineer?
Good morning po. So, we evaluated po yung 5 consultants that submitted their shortlisting documents against the criteria po set under New 64 Series of 2025, wherein kino-cover po niya yung experience of the firm. Ang equivalent point niya po is 60 points, availability of required personnel, 10 points, and current workload relative to capacity, which is equivalent naman to 30 points. So it's starting at rank 5 po, Vesta Consulting Company. Experience of the firm is 37.60 out of 60. Availability of required personnel, 10 points over 10. And for workload, current workload relative to capacity, 19.53 out of 30 points. Total po is 67.30. At rank 4 is Foresight Development and Surveying Company, 39.20 for experience, 10 points for availability of required personnel, and 28 points for current workload relative to capacity. Total score is 77.20. So at rank 3 is Terms Concrete and Material Testing Laboratory Incorporated, 40.80 for experience of the firm, 10 points for availability of required personnel, and 28 points for current workload relative to capacity. Total points is 78.80. 80. Rank 2 is Woodfields Consultants Incorporated, 44 points for experience of the firm, 10 points for availability of required personnel, 28 points for current workload relative to capacity. Total score is 82.0. And rank 1 is Urban Engineers with 58.4 points for experience of the firm, 10 points for availability of required personnel, and 19.48 for current workload relative to capacity. Total points is 87.80. So, all of the bidders will submit ng eligibility are shortlisted po.
60 ang passing
Yes,
natin.
60 ang passing. 87.80.
88 or 80?
80. 87.
Thank you, Engineer Octa. All shortlisted bidders, namely Urban Engineers, Woodfields Consultants Inc., Terms Concrete and Materials Testing Laboratory Inc., Foresight Development and Surveying Company, and Vesta Consulting Co. shall be notified in writing of the results thereof, and also the bank shall recommend the shortlisted consultants to the hope for consideration and approval. Also, the shortlisted bidder shall then be required to pay the fee for for the bidding documents in preparation for their submission of bids. Okay, so before we end this activity, also I would like to recognize the presence of Engineer Arnel L. Samson, Bank Provisional Member, the Chief of the Maintenance Division. Thank you, sir. Okay, so there being no other matters to be discussed, this presentation of the results of the rating and shortlisting of consultants is hereby over.